Are you looking for the ways to make extra money at home without investing? Are you suffering these days because there are many places to use money? Like paying rent, insurance, car maintenance, vegetables, also all prices go up but same time our salary stay same. And always not enough, right? I have solution for you. You can earn extra money more than 2,000 rupees per day. Here is the way. Creating an AI-generated logos. One of my friends works at home as a freelancer, earning 3,000 to 4,000 rupees per day, spending 6 hours a day creating a logo. But now using AI tools, he earns money 7,000 rupees per day, spending only 1 hour. The most important thing here is no skills are required. You can watch this video and you can even become a logo designer. AI tools create a lot of differences in different work fields these days. AI is the next revolution for our life and work field. I'm sure that if you learn it once, you can use it for the rest of your life. Let's start learning AI tools called Midjourney, an AI art platform. You can create more than 20 professional logos in 10 minutes. Midjourney is an AI art platform that can help you generate a wide range of unique and design, including logo, to create a logo or any design that you imagine. You have to command exactly to Midjourney by prompt, something like this. Using this prompt you can easily create a logo that you want. Here tutorial now start. This is Midjourney site. If you are a member, please log in. For those who are new, please sign up. This is the screen after completing all the registration procedures. Let's try to write a prompt. For the first start, type /imagine and prompt. If you entered /I at the time of entry, you can select automatic sentence completion. You will then create a prompt that is a description of the logo. If you enter the logo design, lettermarks of letter B, simple, vector, and no realist details, you get this result. For those who don't understand well, I'll explain it detail. Let's start the tutorial by looking at the completed AI logo design. Look at the logo type first. This logo is called the lettermarks logo. We just made it before. It is used to create a logo with the initials of the company name. The second is the mascot logo. It can be used for various characters, t-shirt designs, stickers, etc. The third is the emblem logo. The shape is a bit difficult, so it's not suitable to use as a company logo. But I think it would be cool to use it in other design field. The fourth is the general logo. As you just saw, logos are designed by prompts. Prompts are typically combined into 4 conditions. The first is the logo type, the second is the subject, the third is the style, and the fourth is what to remove. Here, a mascot logo is a logo type. And the camera is a subject. Simple or vector is a style. No shade is what to remove. The following is a summary of the prompts available by style. You can create the logo you want by combining these prompts one by one. Let's go back to tutorial. The basic, letter mark, logo has a pop art style. Doesn't it feel like something colorful and bouncy? This time, I'll make a mascot logo. The subject is a cat and simple, vector, pop art style. It looks like a street wall painting. Shall we add Japanese cartoon to the style? The logo looks like a Japanese cartoon. Let's make a lion mascot in style by Paul Rand. Something came out like an artist's work. This time, I'll change the subject to a cat. It looks like a work of art. I like it. I'll move on to the emblem logo and put in the subject motorcycle and pop art style. It's not my style. I'll remove the pop art and try again. This really feels like a motorcycle emblem. That's cool. Shall we add the psychedelic art style to the prompt? I like all of these, too. Try changing the subject to truck and style to screen print. It's like a car poster. What about a pop art style, chocolate brand commercial? This time, I only added the letter, logo, to the same prompt. Proceed to the regular logo coffee brand and screen print prompt. It's okay to use it as a standing sign logo. Finally, I chose the logo of the cat cafe. What's lacking in Midjourney is that you can't get the letters inside the logo. What you need at this time is to put letters in the logo on a site called Canva. Go to the Canva site and log in. If it's your first time, create an ID and log in. This is the main page of the site. As you can see, various templates are available, including documents, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and presentations. We click on the logo to make it. Click the Uploads button on the left to import the image you created. Adjust the image size to match the background and size. Click Elements and select the rectangular shape. To change the misrepresented characters, first cover the logo with a rectangular shape in the element. Match the color of the shape with the color of the logo and cover it. Photo colors show the colors in the image. Then, match it with the color around the letter and cover it. Repeatedly remove the letter in the same way. Now it's time to put the text of the logo. Press the text button on the left. Put in the company name and slogan. Change the font if you want to modify it. This gives the text a curve effect. Click the Effect button above the logo. Press the Curve button by lowering the scroll bar in the reverse of the style. To adjust the angle of the curve, use the Round button to adjust the angle. A cool logo was made. If you're done creating the logo, click the Share button on the top right and download it to download the picture. The logo creation tutorial is now complete. Before we end up this video, shortly I will tell you how to sell the logo that you create. Step 1: Build a portfolio. First, you need to build a strong portfolio showcasing your best logo. Your portfolio should be visually appealing and easy to navigate, allowing potential clients to quickly see your style and skills. Consider creating a website or using a platform like Behance to showcase your work. Step 2: Set your prices. Before you start selling, it's important to set your prices. Research the market and see what other logo designers are charging for similar work. Be sure to factor in your time, skill level, and any additional expenses such as software or licensing fees. Step 3: Market yourself. Once you have a portfolio and pricing strategy in place, it's time to start marketing yourself. Social media is a great way to connect with potential clients and showcase your work. Consider creating an Instagram or Facebook page dedicated to your logo designs. You can also use platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs to find clients. Next time, I'll be more specific. Using Chatgpt and Midjourney. Let's find out how to monetize children's storybooks by creating them and selling them to Amazon. Look forward to the next video as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like.